So these are the 7 stages in our product development process. Okay, and as I go through them, I'm going to try and link it into the episode of The Apprentice that you watch so that you can think about it in context. Okay, so stage 1 is basically idea generation. Okay, and this is in essence the brainstorming. So it's where all the team or the entrepreneur on his or her own will note down all their ideas. Okay, so no idea is a bad idea, it's literally just brainstorming and putting everything down on paper. Okay, stage 2 then is actually looking at each of the ideas in more detail. So it's a little bit like the shortlisting of candidates in an application process. So we look at the pros, we look at the cons, we keep some product ideas, we get rid of some product ideas, we might narrow it down to our top 3, and then from there we'll move into concept development. Okay, so concept, another word for concept, is an idea. And at this stage, this is where the idea is finalized, the product idea is finalized. So we start to come up with our name, our brand name, our actual product. Okay, so for one company, it was their tea cheesecakes, for example, and they started to zoom in and finalize the finer details on it. Before investing too much money into making this product and developing the packaging and everything, we need to conduct a feasibility study. Okay, and if something is feasible, it basically means it's viable. So at this stage, we would do a little bit of market research to see if this product is a viable product. Can we make it in a cost-effective way and sell it at a price that will make a decent profit, okay, or a profit that we'll be happy with? So at this stage, we would look at how viable the product is. We might do a little bit of consumer research or market research. And from there, then once we know that it's a viable product, we'd go on to develop a prototype. Okay, and that would involve all the different things you saw on the Apprentice. So that would be developing the actual product, which ingredients are going to go into it, testing the taste of it a little bit, coming up with the packaging, designing the logo, the branding of the product, all those other areas that you guys identified, graphic design. Next then is test marketing, okay, and this will be our market research again, and this would be carrying out things like taste tests. It would be maybe getting a focus group of consumers together to tell us what they think about the product, and we might still tweak the product at this stage as well. And then the last stage would be our product launch. So it's a little bit, I guess, like the pitching, where we would go and we'd pitch it to our target market. We would pitch it to shops to try and get them to take our product and sell our product. And we might start advertising our product as well. Okay, so they're the 7 stages. I'm going to ask you to make notes on those using the next 2 slides on the PowerPoint. And any questions, send them my way.